Namaste everyone. Welcome to dvirus.in. Let's start our video.
Today we'll continue some more script. The first script is to check the network glitch or the LAN connection broken or your LAN have some disturbance. Let's start. You can see I have 4 script created here and you can verify the path. C-type temp script testing test. Okay. This 4 script will create a log file also. That is our output file. One file got created. This is which you can see. This will give you the information about any network disturbance. Yeah, you can see 27. Now the next script is to check any reason changes happened on the server. Here, one more step got created. Yeah, this will give you the information about the recent changes done on the server, and these are the event ID. Next script is to check any recent hotfix got installed on server. So these are the KB articles. KB. So you can check here. These are the hotfix got installed. So last one happened on 18th June. Now let's delete this first. Yeah. Now last we'll combine our previous video script and today's script. So I've already combined and I've created this one. Let me show you the output here. Host name, and this is the space advanced server, CPU memory utilization, last reboot, and you can see again the files got created here and the same information. If you want to download this script, then please check the description.
Thank you for listening and please visit my website dvirus.in. Thank you.